As part of the onboarding process, we want to add someone who's not a member of any teams to all of the teams. So we'll start by clicking on groups. And then what we can do is we can look at all the group types and then filter down to isolate those that are just teams. And the is a team column, of course, is another easy way to do this. We can select all our teams and then look at their members. So click the members button. Now we have a view of all the teams, so it's just a matter of selecting them all and then clicking Add Members. Now we can select anybody we want to add to all these teams. And before we actually save these changes, we can verify them in the status column. So we can collapse this, and we can see those that have been newly created. And when we're satisfied, click Save. Now let's take this one step further. What if we wanted to add multiple users who are non-members directly to private channels? First, we'll expand this and filter for our teams again. And we want private channels. So we'll select all of these and then load their channels. Now we can select all team channels and inspect their members. Now we can select all of these and just add new members. We can select as many users as we want and add them to the private channels directly. Notice that at the same time, they're automatically being added as members of the teams that are associated to these channels. And of course, we can check the status column before we save any of these changes. So whether you're adding new members and teams or directly to private channels for multiple teams at once, you can save yourself a lot of trouble using Sapio 365 to carry out these operations on a large scale, rather than working with PowerShell scripts that require a lot more time and patience.